Hi everyone! हाँ जी, किद्दां किਵੇਂ हो सारे? I hope all of you guys are very well. So by the title of the video, you guys would have made out by now that we are going to focus on the lashes today. I'm going to tell you how I achieve the false lashes look by using only my mascara. Now I'm not a very big fan of false lashes, and I think that is too much of a task to do every time you do your makeup. And also the glue that you use on the false lashes is not very good for your eyes, and it can harm the eyes in the long run. So I prefer using my mascara more than putting false lashes, and so I recommend you guys also to use less of false lashes and use more of your mascaras. Now as far as mascaras are concerned, I prefer using washable variants in every mascara, because waterproof variants can really take a toll on your lashes. Now while you're removing them, there's a lot of tugging and pulling and scrubbing that gets into it, and that harms your lashes, makes them weak, and they may fall off also. So try going for washable variants. I do not have a washable variant right now. What a hypocrite. But I don't have a washable variant right now because I just did not order it. It's just like that. But the one that I had before this one was washable, and it was a delight to use it because it used to come off so easily, and I miss those days a lot. But we have to work with what we have. But this one is an outstanding bestseller, award winning mascara, which is the Lash Paradise. I know most of you must have guessed it. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I cannot emphasize more on the fact that I love it from the bottom of my heart. You guys must have heard a lot of bloggers saying this. It is a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and a lot more cheaper than that. It is for about, I guess, 800, 700 or 800. I don't exactly remember. I got it in the flat 500 sale on Nykaa. So most of the things that L'Oreal has were priced at 500 at that time. So I ordered it. That was a steal for this mascara. You could not get it for any cheaper. And I have been using it for 4-5 months, and it has become my best friend now. So without delaying it more, let's jump into the video. So I have zoomed you guys in a little bit so that you get a very clear idea of what we are doing today. Now the only two things that you need to make your lashes look amazing are number one, mascara obviously, and number two, an eyelash curler. Now this is optional, and if you don't have this any eyelash curler, don't panic, it is optional. I have worked without having an eyelash curler also. So the rest of my face is already done. If you want to know how we got this pretty nude natural makeup look, check out my webinar makeup tutorial. I'm going to link it somewhere in here. Okay, so starting off, we are first going to curl the lashes. Now a lot of bloggers, a lot of makeup gurus tend to heat their eyelash curler and then use it on their lashes. But I have never tried it because I'm hell scared of doing that. I'm hell scared of burning my lashes. So I have never done that. I use it as it is. If you guys tend to take that risk and heat your eyelash curlers, do tag in the comments and tell me how it worked, because I do want a lot of recommendations before I start getting, doing it on myself. So I'm going to use it as it is without heating or anything. Now you need to keep the lash curler on for about 4-5 seconds. Keep moving it and then release. See, now my lashes are obviously looking a bit more curled than this one. I'm going to do the same on the other eye also. There you go. Now I know a lot of people face problems in using eyelash curlers. If you are one of them, if you are scared of using eyelash curlers, if you've bought it and kept it into your vanity since forever, take those out. I'll teach you how to use them, okay? Take your thumb, put it on the lower end. Take a finger, 2-3 fingers, anything you want. Put it on the upper end, and that is how you are going to operate it, okay? Like a scissor. There's no rocket science, okay? Like a scissor only. Just practice this, doing twice or thrice. Practice this. Now take it like this vertically, and do not put it like this straight. Do not put it straight. Tilt your hand a little bit towards your face and angle the mouth of the curler towards your eyes. Now your angle is something that is very personal to you. I prefer using it in this angle because it curls more if it's like upwards. If you are comfortable in using it at a diagonal angle, at the horizontal angle, it is totally up to you. So take the eyelash curler like this, angle it on your eyes, look down, don't look straight. If you look straight, it's going to pinch it in your eyes, okay? Look down, take the lash curler, and do not get too close to the skin, okay? Do not get your eyelids into the curler, it's going to hurt a lot. Take it lightly. Make sure you're taking all the lashes like till the roots, but not the lid. You need to be very careful while using it. It is going to take time for you to learn, but try, keep trying it, and one day you will achieve your destination, okay? Take it, put it onto your lashes, very slowly, very lightly. Don't just clinch your lashes into it like very hardly. Take it very slowly, press them, move them up and down a little, not too much, very lightly. You need to be very careful while working with your eyes because those are the most sensitive parts on your face. So move it up and down a little, keep it there for 4 to 5 seconds and release. It's as easy and simple as that. Now, if you don't have an eyelash curler, कोई पंगा ही नहीं है, फिर तो you don't have to do anything of this sort. But if you have one, try using it because it is going to give you better results only, okay? Now, after the lashes are curled, we are going to move on to putting the mascara. You need to understand every portion of your face, okay? There's a reason why your face has been formulated this way. Now your lashes get into a certain directions, okay? Not all the lashes are upwards, not all the lashes are downwards. The center part of your lashes, which is the middle one, the middle section, is upwards. It's like this, okay? It goes up. The outer corner, which is the outer one-third portion of the outer, well, doesn't mind. The outer portion of the lashes go this way. They go outwards, okay? This way. They don't go upwards, they go outwards like this, vertically. And the inner portion of your lashes go this way, vertically. Not all the lashes go upwards, guys. We need to understand this because this is something that is going to help you while you apply your mascara, okay? So center part goes upwards, outer corner goes outwards this way, and the inner corner goes this way, okay? Got it? Now take your mascara, any mascara you can use. I'm using the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. I have the Hyper Curl also. You can use absolutely any mascara. Make sure if you want volume, the wand of the mascara is dense. Make sure that the wand of the mascara is dense if you want voluminous lashes, okay? Take note. If you want voluminous lashes, the mascara wand should be dense. If you want your lashes to lengthen and you want no volume, then the wand should be different. Then the wand would be having spikes at some distance. If you have seen those mascara, now I don't have it with me, so it's a little bit difficult for me to explain. But if you want volume, dense wand. If you want length, then a wand that has spikes at distance. Okay. Now I want volume. We are using the Voluminous Lash Paradise. We want volume, so we are using this dense wand. Now what we are going to do is we are going to start applying the mascara. Now there are thousands of people that I have seen who just tell me that they use mascaras, they buy expensive mascaras, but they do no good to their lashes. Their lashes look the same, and a lot of those problems. One very big thing, very big reason behind this is not using the proper way of applying it. Okay, your mascara needs to get into the roots of your lashes to separate them and to voluminize them. Okay, till the time it does not get into the roots, it is not going to do anything, absolutely nothing. Okay, so what we're going to do is, now another thing, do not look straight when you're applying your mascara, because if you do that, you're going to end up destroying the eye makeup. Either, if not the eye makeup, then it's going to stick over here. Okay, so look downwards whenever you're applying your mascara. Take the wand and place it into the roots, down into the roots, not ऐसे ऊपर से नहीं करना है. Okay, into the roots, and you are going to do a swiveling motion like this, to and fro, जैसे draw करते हैं, color करते हैं जैसे वैसे. Now the center part of the face, as I told you, goes upwards, so we are going to do a swiveling motion, taking the wand upwards. Okay, now watch it. Like that. Okay, swivel and up, swivel and up. That is what you want to do. Now for same for the outer part and for the inner part, the only difference that is going to come is the outer part is going to go outwards and the inner part is going to go inwards in the direction of the ear. Okay, like that. See, can you see the difference? That is how big of a difference the application can make. It's the same product, the same things that you use, just a different way of using them, and it's going to make them look absolutely beautiful. Okay, now doing the lower lashes is also important. Same way we are going to do the lower lashes also. We are going to do the swiveling motion, taking them downwards, center part straight, outer part towards the outside, inner part towards the inside. Done. It's as simple and as easy as that, as easy as it looks. This is one coat. If you want more volume, keep on adding coats. If you don't want, you're satisfied with this volume, just stop over here. I at times put 2 coats, but now I think this is enough for me, so I'm not going to put 2 coats. I'm going to do the other eye also and get back to you. These are my lashes, beautiful, long, lengthened, voluminous lashes. I have been doing this for a long time, and I think I got the proper guidance. I followed the right people and I got to know the right technique of using a mascara, and that is a very big reason that I don't I don't spend too much of money on mascaras, because I don't want to sound pompous, but I think if you know the right way, you can make anything work that is not even expensive. You don't want to spend a lot on, there's no need to actually spend a lot on mascaras, because I feel you get the same quality in the drugstore ranges also, and you get similar wands. Like this one is a dupe for perhaps 2000 rupees mascara, and this is 1/4 of that price. So I don't think you have to waste your money on buying high-end things when you have the dupes and you know the right technique, you know the drill, you can do anything you want to. That is that for this video. I hope all of you loved it. Try using this technique on your own and let me know whether it worked for you or not. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Like the video, share it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.